It is a privilege for Region 12 or SOC Sergeant to host you as we explore Sarangani Bay.
We have seen that despite the challenges and unmet targets, we have gone through leaps and bounds.